Hey guys, and welcome to my video full day of eating when doing my lean bulk. So today I'm going to be showing you all my meals, my macros, my calories and everything that I eat during my lean bulk. Normally I don't count them because I've been doing this for such a long time that I feel like I do have some kind of idea. But today, just to give you guys an idea of the exact amounts, I will. My goal when doing a lean bulk is to be on calorie surplus, just enough to be able to gain muscle but not to gain too much fat on my body. This way I'm avoiding insulin resistance and keeping my muscle gains optimal. So if you are ready, let's do this. I'm starting my morning with decaf coffee. This because I don't like to take too much caffeine during the day and I will save it for the pre-workout. I also like to take a week off from stimulants, usually after 3 to 4 weeks. At the same time I have my deload week from training. Continuous use of stimulants can mask out your fatigue and you'll burn out easier. I am ready for my first meal. I'm gonna make an omelette and here are the ingredients. I like to have same eating times, whether I'm on a cut or bulk. I eat all my meals between 12 and 9 p.m. This is called intermediate fasting. Human body likes routines when it comes to eating and sleeping. This way our circadian rhythm stays the same, meaning you are energetic during the day and naturally get tired for the night. When doing a lean bulk, I actually use my core and abs as an indicator. Even though I'm bulking, I make sure that my abs don't disappear completely, because this means my body fat percentage is getting too high, which is not beneficial for muscle building. However, everybody stores fat differently, and if you store mainly on your stomach area, you would need to be on very low fat percentage to have your abs showing, and therefore do not use your core as an indicator. I, for example, store most of the fat on my thighs, and in order for me to have a very lean legs, means that I would need to be on very low body fat percentage. Here are my stats and starting macro goals for this bulk. Week by week, I pay attention to how my weight moves up and how I feel, look and perform, and adjust my meals according to this. When training, I want to be energetic and full. This is the time to get stronger. At the gym, I want to progress on every lift as much as I can during the whole bulking period. I have a surprise. We are getting a puppy and now I'm going to get everything ready for her. Time for my second meal, and I'm gonna be making a chicken wrap, and the ingredients that I need are right here. On my pre-workout meal, my main goal is to eat carbs that prevent excessive cortisol production during my training session. Cortisol is a stress hormone that inhibits protein synthesis, aka muscle growth. I aim to eat around 1 gram of carbs per kilogram of body weight, combined from starchy sources and fruit sources, normally 1 hour before training. A good pre-workout meal gives you more flexibility with your post-workout meal timing as well. so good. After my second meal and before my workout, I take my pre-workout. And this is about 30 minutes before starting my first set. I just got back home and now it's time to drink my post-workout shake, which is something that I always have after each and every one of my workouts. It is time for meal number 3, and now I'm having minced beef, sweet potato fries and some guacamole to go with it, and here are all the ingredients as usual. After my workout, I like to eat my post-workout meal when I naturally feel hungry again. This way I know my body has calmed down from fight or flight mode to rest and digest mode, meaning I can digest my post-workout meal better. The more intense my workout has been, the longer it takes my body to be ready for digestion. For me, usually it takes 1 to 2 hours after my workout. A good pre-workout meal will keep you easily fueled up to this point. I like to rotate my protein sources, and when bulking I tend to eat more with higher fat, because when cutting it's not always possible. It's also important to rotate all food sources to optimize getting a wide variety of different micronutrients, as well as avoid developing food sensitivities. I have also marked down the amount of fiber I get from each meal. I have talked about the importance of fiber on my previous videos, but simply put, it's a vital for gut health, and as we know, gut health is the key to overall health. Also, fiber gives you a fuller feeling for longer, helps control blood sugar levels, and so much more. It's like a cheap health insurance. The last meal of the day is going to be pretty similar than the previous one. My last meal is so-called pre-sleep meal. The main goal is to keep my blood sugar level steady throughout the night. High protein and fat gives that long, steady, full feeling. And when on a bulk, it's nice to have also a good amount of complex carbs, which helps you to relax. watching. If you liked the video, I would appreciate a thumbs up so much, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.